Why schedule emails?
Scheduling emails lets you compose messages in advance and choose when they are sent. This is helpful for reaching people in different time zones, sending reminders, or ensuring business communications go out at the most effective time. Most major email services now include easy-to-use scheduling features. Let's explore how to use them in Outlook, Gmail, and Apple Mail.
How to schedule emails in Outlook?
In Microsoft Outlook, start a new email and compose your message as usual. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Send button and select Send Later. Pick your desired date and time, then confirm. Your message will be saved and automatically sent at your chosen time. This works in both the web version and the Outlook app.
How to schedule emails in Gmail?
With Gmail, compose your email and click the arrow beside the Send button. Select Schedule Send. You'll see preset times, or you can click Pick Date and Time to set your own. Confirm your choice, and Gmail will send the email at your selected time. You can manage or edit scheduled emails from the Scheduled folder.
How to schedule emails in Apple Mail?
Apple Mail added scheduling in macOS Ventura and later. In the Mail app on your Mac, write your email, then click and hold the Send button. Options appear for Send Now, Send 9 p.m. tonight, or Send Later. Choose Send Later to specify your exact date and time. The email will be sent automatically as scheduled. iOS Mail does not yet support this feature.
Tips for effective email scheduling.
Scheduling emails is great for productivity, but keep in mind time zones and recipients' work hours. Double-check your scheduled messages for accuracy before confirming. Remember to review your scheduled folder to edit or cancel messages if needed. Using these features in Outlook, Gmail, or Apple Mail can simplify your workflow and help ensure your emails reach people at the best possible time.